Open ungoogled Chromium browser. Here, as you can see, clicking on the web store does not show you anything, as web store is by default blocked by ungoogled Chromium. Go to the address bar and type this. I will also provide the link below in the description. From this page, we need to download the Chromium Web Store CLX file. From this page, we need to download the Chromium Web Store CLX file. Right click on this and select Save Link As, and download it on any of your desired location. I am saving this right into my ungoogled Chromium browser folder, so that I can find it easily later. The download has been completed. Once the download is completed, open a new tab and type this, or copy it and paste it from the description below. Once the flag page has been opened, go to this setting, handling of extension mime type request, and set it to always prompt for install, and relaunch the browser. Click on relaunch to relaunch the browser. Now in the address bar, type or copy and paste this. I will also provide the link below in the description, so you can copy and paste it easily from there. We need to enable the developer mode from here. Let's enable the developer mode. Now navigate to the folder on where you have earlier saved the Chromium Web Store CRX file. And we need to drag and drop right it into the browser window. And once I have dropped it in the browser window, message box will show up, and we need to click on the add extension here. Let's click on add extension, and the extension Chromium Web Store CRX has been added. Once the Chromium Web Store extension is installed, click on the details option and click on this keep button. Here is the official link of Google Chrome Web Store. I'll just copy and paste it into the browser address bar. I'll also provide the link below in the description field. Chromium Web Store is open in front of search for Dark Reader extension. As you can see, the add to Chrome button is faded here or grayed out, whatever you like to say it. We'll just right click on the web page and click add to Chromium. You don't need to log in or do anything else. Just click on add extension, and the extension has been installed perfectly fine. Click on the extension button here and pin. I will just pin the Chromium Web Store extension here. The main advantage of doing it is whenever there is some update for your extension, it will show you a red alert icon, so you know that there's update available for your extension. It will show how many updates there are available for how many extension you have installed. Now I will download another extension which is very popular named uBlock. The add to Chrome button is still grayed out. Just right click on the web page and click add to Chromium. Let's pin new block. There's no need for you to sign in. As you have already seen, I have added 2 extensions from Google's official web page without signing in into my Google account. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share this video and subscribe to my channel.